It's been 4 days since I had cataract surgery on my second eye, and this is an update. Hi, I'm Glory B, and this is GloryB-TV. Well, I'm finally wearing makeup. It's 4 days since I had my right eye done. I had it done on Tuesday, saw the doctor Wednesday morning, and now it's Saturday. And here's the weirdest thing. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you, and I figured this, I realized it on Wednesday afternoon. I haven't said a word. But when I was using my computer, and I also noticed it when I was watching TV, I'm kind of seeing it now. My right eye is perfectly clear. My left eye, however, eye number 1, is a little cloudy. I'm so annoyed. And it's not going away. It's not like there's something in my eye that I need to clear up. So, yeah, that's really annoying. When I'm using my main computer, I've got 2 large monitors and everything's in HD. It's very clear. So I don't know what the deal is there. So I'm still having some struggle seeing small things on the screen or something that's gray on gray, which is more of a problem with a Mac or Apple. But yeah, I still have the floater. It's not the floater, it's the whole thing. And so anything that presents itself with light, like computer monitors or an HD TV, clearly I'm looking past the camera out a window right now, and it's just, I don't know what's going on. So I don't have my next appointment until March. He said 4 to 6 weeks with one of the optometrists. I chose 6 weeks just because. But I might write a note. I should have done that last week. Into, whatever that online thing that they have where you can write a note to the doctor, but he never sees it. He admitted it to me. The nurses see it just to say, what the heck. And I didn't notice it on Wednesday morning. I mean, everything was really new. And when you go in those rooms, either with the technician or with the doctor, they're kind of dark. So I wouldn't have noticed it until I was working in front of the computer. So that's kind of annoying. I rewatched my 4-day for eye number 1, that video. And I did talk about a couple products that I didn't show you. So one is how I take off my makeup. Well, first I wash my face with the Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser, which is great for getting eye makeup off normally, but I'm not rubbing my eyes hard. So what I use after that all the time is a micellar water. Now, Garnier is the brand that makes it, but there are some off brands. So this one, I might have gotten this one at Bed Bath & Beyond a long time ago when they had a buy one, get one. But I normally buy it at CVS because CVS has their own brand. And they have kinds that are for, not for waterproof makeup. And then they have another kind that's for waterproof makeup. I don't wear waterproof makeup, and I don't like that one. Normally, I think they make the bottle label blue. It's got some oils in it. I don't really need that, and it doesn't feel nice on the skin. I just like the plain one. And what I like to use with those are round cotton pads. Now, my favorite round cotton pads are sold at Walgreens, and they have 2 or 3 different kinds. So I'll link in the description box below which kind I like. It's a kind that has a more stiffer back, so they don't crumble, they don't fall apart, they don't get icky and weird in your hand. And you can add more micellar water if you want. And I just take that and first because it's wet, I go around the edges of my face to get some of that makeup off that I didn't get, around the hairline. And then I take it and I do the under lashes and I do the over lashes. You can even press it down on your eye with the micellar water on it and just let it soak into the lashes and then, get it off. And the mascara, the eyeliner comes off really nice with these 2 things, and you don't have to press or rub, which is the thing that the eye doctors warn about. Just like my other video on my 4-day report on my left eye, since I'm wearing makeup for this eye, I am listing all the makeup in the description box below, plus these two things, links where you can check them out. So I understand that a lot of people don't know how to open the description box, especially on a phone or other mobile device. So if you are watching on a phone or a tablet, you go below the video and on the right side there's a little V. Tap little V, that opens up the description box and you can scroll down and see products I mentioned and products I'm wearing. And then if you're watching on a computer, go below the video. On the left side, you'll see the word show more. With your mouse, click the word show more, and that opens up the description box. Now, if you want to watch my whole series, some of you might have seen in the upper right corner, watching on a mobile, watching on a computer, it doesn't show up on a television, but on all our other devices, it is. It's a little eye. And you tap the little eye on a mobile or you click it with a computer mouse and it will open up all of what are called YouTube cards. And I put a link to the entire playlist on my cataract surgery. And I could also link a couple other videos there. And that's what you want to do to get to the whole playlist. Or I also have it linked in that lovely description box where I can put up to 5,000 characters and spaces. So there's a lot in the description box, including other playlists and things that you'll want to check out, including, how I stay healthy. And I will tell you, I don't know if I mentioned in the other videos, but when I was checking in and in the back, getting on the gurney and that kind of thing, getting ready for the second surgery, when I talked to who I thought was a nurse, she didn't introduce herself as the anesthesiologist, but she was looking at the list of all the medications I take, which I didn't list my supplements because they have that in the system, but I don't take any. And she was like, wow, you're healthy, because she could see my age. She could see I'm 62. And when they see people over 60, they're usually on a few medications or a lot. And I was on none. So I stay healthy. It's all my diet. So you want to check out some of that I have linked below as well. I actually have a course where I walk you through step by step how to change your diet and improve your diet so that you're cleansing your body from the inside and not having to take medications. So you want to check that out as well. And then if you want to just go directly to one of the other videos about my cataract surgery, I'll have them linked at the end of the video on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.